What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Doodle professional scheduling platform and its features. So Doodle.com is a great platform that you can schedule your meetings and your appointments with clients to better schedule and organize your business and your appointments. So what you want to do is go to their website, that's Doodle.com, and you'll land on their homepage right here. Here you can scroll down to view some info, like trusted by over 70,000 companies and 2 million meetings scheduled last month and so on. So here it's for all types of businesses such as recruitment. You can schedule appointments with candidates to recruit them to or decide if they are right for your business, board meetings with the staff of your company, sales, education, like with your students, nonprofit organization, freelancers. So you can communicate with your clients, and enterprise schedule. So here you can schedule for 1 to up to 10,000 people in a meeting, and you can view the features for individuals, for teams, and for enterprises, and so on. So what you want to do is click on try for free to start using the platform, or you can log in if you already have an account. Or there is an option to create a doodle or an appointment right here to see how it works. So let's click on create a doodle. And here you can create a poll group. So your name, your email, the occasion of the appointment, and description, the location where it will happen, if it's as a physical location. And you can add the duration, the time of the week and month. And you can here connect your calendar. So your Google Calendar and stuff like that. And you can edit some pro settings like set deadline and minute limit, how many participants, send automatic reminders, and so on. So here you can create and invite people to this appointment. However, we will go back now and sign up and try the platform for free. So you can click on try for free or sign up right here. And now you can create an account with your email, or you can sign up with Google, Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email to create my account and get back to you. Here it asks me to enter my name and a password, and then agree to the terms of services and privacy policy, and then click on create account. So let's enter a name and then a password, and then I'll click on create account. And once the account is created here, you can go ahead and add your Google or Office 365 or your iCloud calendar here to sync with your Doodle calendar. So I'll do it later. I'll connect the calendar later, and it'll ask some questions here to further customize my user experience. So what is your role at work? Let's say I am an administration. Okay, continue. In which industry do you work? Let's say consulting. Okay. The approximate number of employees, 250. Okay. So of course you need to enter your details very precisely. Now here is my dashboard. I can create it will ask you to create your first doodle, so a group poll. Let people vote and find the option that suits everyone, or a one-on-one scheduling appointment, or a booking page. You can create your first doodle later, so let's skip it for now. And here you'll land on your main page here. So here you can view the pricing. So if you want to subscribe to a paid plan right now, here you have the current plan, which is free for only one user. It offers unlimited group polls, one booking page, and one one-on-one appointment. However, there are the Pro, the Team, and the Enterprise plan, each with their price and the number of users. The Team plan, the price here you can set it for 5, 10, or 20 users. And here you will get more benefits, and you can compare the features of each plan, and you can get here an overview comparison of the features. Now let's go back here, and you can create a group poll or a one-on-one meeting, or create a new booking page. So let's go ahead and create a new booking page right here, or you can click on the create here, the plus icon. You can create a group poll, one-on-one, or a booking page. So let's create a booking page just to show you. Okay, and here you should connect your calendar. So I'll go ahead and connect my calendar, my Google Calendar. Connect the calendar, so I'll connect Google. So I've gone ahead and signed in with my Google account to connect my calendar. So here the title, so let's say a test meeting. The booking page will be automatically generated right here. So here's the URL, description like this is a meeting. Okay, location is optional. You can enable also the video conferencing. So you can choose to enable the video conference via Google Meet, Zoom, and others. How long should it take? 60 minutes, and you can change the time as well. What's the date range? Okay, limit how far in advance participant can book. So no limit, or a custom date range from a certain date to a certain date. When can participants book? You can also edit the times of when the participants can book to the appointments. And you can connect here, view the connected calendars, send reminders and for the participants. And here you can edit many other settings. So these are the settings for the booking page. And once you create the booking page here, it will appear. You can share it, you can preview it, you can edit it. So let's preview it. Okay, here it is. You can choose a time to book here. So let's say I want to book at 12 p.m. or yeah, of course you should the clients should choose the time that is available or compatible for them. Okay, let's close the preview. And here you can also create group polls and one-on-one meetings. So this was like, or here you can, creating a group poll or one-on-one meeting is actually essentially the same process. So let's, for example, try to create a one-on-one meeting. So if I click on it, it will load up the page where I can enter the title. So a business meeting. Okay, description, location. If it's a physical location, I can enable video conferencing or not. I can add the duration and the time and date. So let's make it like renew the months. Okay, select the 8th of November. Okay, and here I can edit also the same settings and then click on create and invite to continue. So basically it is the same process. So let's close this page and go back. And in here you can view your profile settings, your main dashboard. So let's go to the main dashboard right here. And here you can view your main dashboard, can view your account settings, or you can log out from your account. So that was like a quick overview of the Doodle.com scheduling platform and its different features.